on the stage. We have these breathers over here who are going to come on the stage and they are going to be performing. So, can we have the music?
मैं अनजाना गम से बेगाना हूँ आवारा लेकिन प्यारा सबने माना चले जैसे हवाएं सनन सनन
उड़े जैसे परिंदे गगन गगन
चाहे भंवरे जैसे चमन चमन
यूं ही घूमूं मैं भी मगन मगन
चले जैसे
हवाएं सनन सनन
उड़े
जैसे परिंदे गगन गगन
Everybody get down. This party's come to town. Run-da-ba-doo-da-ba-da-da-boo. There's only one thing to do. Baby, baby, let's rock. I said all night long till the world.
गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी छुप छुप के तुम मिला करो प्यारी प्यारी बातें बातें किया करो पर यूं ना मिलना किसी से कभी हमारे सिवा
करे 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 बोले बोले रे रे करे करे देखो देखो हम दोनों मीते हैं सन सन दिल की चुपकीते हैं पर सुनने पाए इन्हें ना कोई हमारे सिवा
गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी
करे 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 बोले बोले नहीं नहीं करे करे
Run-da-ba-doo-da-ba-da-da-boo. Gotta do the groovy, so groovy.
गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी छुप छुप के तुम मिला करो प्यारी प्यारी बातें बातें किया करो पर यूं ना मिलना किसी से कभी हमारे सिवा
करे 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 बोले बोले नहीं नहीं करे करे देखो देखो हम दोनों मीते हैं सुनो सुनो दिल के चुपकीते हैं पर सुनने पाए इन्हें ना कोई हमारे सिवा
गोरी 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 कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी
करे 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 बोले बोले नहीं नहीं करे करे
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, we had Ranbir, Shahid, and Arjun Kapoor, and with them Katrina Kaif and Priyanka Chopra. So that was one fantastic performance. Wow, amazing. We'd like to know what are your real life names here. What's your name?
Atri
My God, we have Atri over here who's like a multi-talented performer here. He can play the instrument, he can dance, and he's like a totally musical guy, aren't you? Yes? And you're also going to be in the films, right?
right
Very nice. That's good. And how about you? What's your name?
Ashwin
Ashmit, very nice. So you've been dancing for quite some time now?
Yes.
It looked like, yes, definitely. And how about you? What's your name?
Pratham.
My God, Pratham, you always loud like this?
Yes.
Very good. It's nice to be loud and clear. Very nice. And how about you? What's your name?
Ananya.
Ananya, very good. And how about you?
Alvin.
Very good. So, very good. Congratulations. Congratulations. Yes, and very nice. We have another little dancing wonder. What's your good name, boy?
Slope.
Very good. And Shlok was a part of the dance performance, right? Yes, okay. So let's hear a big hand for Shlok also. Congratulations, Shlok. Very nice. Okay, please sit down, ladies and gentlemen, because we have our next act coming up. But before the next act, there is going to be a special prize. और आपको अपनी जगह पर बैठे रहना है, कुछ नहीं करना है, केवल you have to open your ears, you have to guess this special, this very famous person. Even Gajani remembers his name. Any guesses? Not really, because I've just started. Only he can handle the truth. सच का सामना खाली यही कर सकता है. Only he knows he has 32 wisdom teeth. 32 अक्कल के दांत. Amir Khan. Okay, ladies are saying Amir Khan. Anyone else? Yes. Amir Khan. अरे नहीं यार, I said कि even Gajani remembers his name. See, Amir Khan, he had a short-term memory loss in the movie, but even he can remember this person's name. And the sun does not rise until this person says good morning. Huh?
Rajnikant,
My God, how did you guess that, yeah?
because everything, whatever happens like this, it's only Rajnikant who can.
क्या बात है, इन्होंने guess किया. Very nice, ladies and gentlemen. This is none other than Rajnikant. You guessed it right. Mind it, and the way he says it, Raskala, right? He says that. Okay. All right. Anybody who can answer this definitely will win a special prize. अगर आप इसका आंसर दे सकते हैं, you have to name one thing. Okay? You have to name one thing. कोई भी एक चीज apart from the villain that he can kill. Or any other living object. Apart from that, one thing that he can kill. Yes, what is it? I forgot. That is not a thing here. All right. Somebody said a bird. Anyone else? Any more guesses? Ladies, no? You can't guess. Come on, yeah. Okay. The one thing that he can kill apart from killing the villain or any other living thing, and that is a living room. My God. Okay. How fast do you think is Rajnikant? Anybody who can answer that? How fast is he? How fast is Rajnikant? कोई आंसर दे सकता है? How about you all? Sir, आप? How fast is Rajnikant?
Faster than light?
Faster than light. Okay, that sounds like a very yesterday answer. Yes, sir. How about you? No. Okay. Sir, how about you? How fast is Rajnikant?
I don't know actually, but he is very fast.
But he's very fast. But any comparison as to how fast? Faster than the speed of light. My God. Somebody said faster than the speed of light. Someone from this side said faster than the speed of love. What is faster than the speed of love? I don't know. All right. But the answer to this is he's so fast that he always comes yesterday. My God. All right. And let me see if you can guess this one correctly. How does Rajnikant eat his dosa? Can anyone guess? How does Rajnikant eat his dosa? Okay, somebody over here has got an answer, and I'm hoping that he wins a prize for this. Yes, tell me, how does he eat his dosa?
He eats dosa with a curd.
With a?
Curd.
With curd. With dahi, you mean? See, but again, that's a food item, yeah? You've not guessed it right. Anybody? Anybody? Something like a dosa. Okay, the ladies are saying like this, like this. Like how? Like how? You are a little more closer to like this, like this. Come on, anybody who can guess, come on. Ma'am? Anyone? 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 Behind, piche or koi? Okay. Yes, we have SRK who's going to give the answer. Yes, how does he eat his?
Hands.
With his hands. My God, that was something unique for a change, but not very close to the answer. Okay, Rajnikant eats his dosa with a pair of chopsticks. Only he can do it. See, the ladies agree to it. Very nice. Okay, and how many of us watch Big Boss? Big Boss कौन दिखते हैं यहाँ पे? I'm sure everybody. Even the children are raising their hands. See? Very good. So everybody watches Big Boss. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ? One day Rajnikant entered the Big Boss house and then one announcement was made which said Rajnikant चाहते हैं कि Big Boss confession room में आ जाए. Alright. And by the way, he's always on the social media, he's always on the internet, but he never tweets. Do you know what he does? He roars because he's a lion. He's a superstar of the South. And with that, we don't have any winners for this trivia. But we are going to move on to the next one. Our next category this time, we have the awards going. This time, we wonder who. Arey wow, what a special category. My God. This is the most awaited category for the evening, which we definitely know. This is for a lot of harmony between two women. Any guesses what the category could be? We should name it the Harmonious Peace Award rather. Yes? Okay, not really. The best Saas Bahu Jodi Award. Okay, we are going to announce the best Saas Bahu Jodi Award and the winner for this category. Any guesses? All the ladies are looking around. Who? No guesses? All right, we'll announce it to you. It's Mrs. Junior and Senior Oberoi. Junior and Senior Oberoi. Mrs. Oberois, both the Oberois. Yes. The mother-in-law and the daughter-in-law. I would like to call them up on the stage. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen, for Mrs. and Mrs. Oberoi. That is the junior and the senior, the daughter-in-law and the mother-in-law. Do we have them here this evening? क्या वो हमारे साथ है यहाँ पर? क्या वो मौजूद है? Okay. They're not to be seen here. Maybe we'll have somebody. All right. Very nice. Congratulations, ma'am. Very nice. Please, आ जाइए stage पर. Or the daughter-in-law. We like to have. Very good. क्या बात है? Very nice. Ma'am, please come. The daughter-in-law and the mother-in-law together. Lovely. Wonderful. Yes. आइए ma'am. Please come. All right, let's hear a big hand for the two lovely ladies. Congratulations to the two of them, and we have the winning prizes. Yes, very good, nice. We'll have both the ladies down here only. और मैम कैसे लग रहा है आपको? और बताएंगे कि क्या बात है ऐसी कि आपको नॉमिनेट किया है इस अवार्ड के लिए. लवली, वेरी गुड. Very nice. क्या बात है? Very nice. So sweet. Let's hear a big hand for the senior Mrs. Oberoi. और मैं request करूँगा कि daughter-in-law जी भी कुछ कहें. She wants to share something. कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप मैम?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. तालियां हो जाए, जोरदार तालियां. Yes. Congratulations. Very good. Okay, we are going to now move on to our next one. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे He's saying Papa or Papa. Dad, nahi. It is the dialogue from the famous movie. What movie was that? He used to do all the time. He used to have that 20 kilo का हाथ. He used to go like this. Hi, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे पापा लगते हैं. नाम है शहंशाह. Hi. All right, the Shahenshah Award coming up. Any guesses for the Shahenshah Award winner? Any guesses? The audience is being very quiet. I don't know why. Please don't be scared. Shahenshah is the protector of the good people and he'll protect you from the bad guys. So, any guesses? Who will be the winner for the Shahenshah Award? No? No guesses? Alright, let me reveal to you the winner is the one and only Mr. Mohan Nair. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Mohan Nair. तालियां हो जाए Mohan Nair जी के लिए. Alright, Mohan ji, Mr. Mohan Nair. Is he here with us? Very good. Where is he? All right. Mr. Mohan Nair, क्या बात है? Lovely. Wow. My God. Lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, he's here. Wow, Mr. DJ. All right, and look at that. Sir, आप यहाँ पर जैसे चलते आ रहे थे, मुझे दूर से ऐसे आवाज सुना दी. Yes, just like this only. So, sir, please tell us, how do you feel about winning this award?
Florentine is always my baby, you see, which from day one, it's been where we all loved each other. And every member in this family is like a great family. And I don't dispute on that. And today, I mean, all the members concerned was here, right? May I just put Bidya Seth, you see, Ashok Michare, right? Thomas George. Then I think there are a lot of people more, and a lot of people who have come in new down here, okay? And from day one, we're all been a big family. Yeah. And not only that, may I put it very driving into factor, is that we all love each other. We may be having differences, that's different, right? But end of the day, we are all like a big family. Yeah, I think Pankaj Kapoor is there. I think Kadam is there. I know a lot of people are around here. Okay, all of them being a great human in Florentine, and they all like. It's a very big family, and where you cannot dispute, and each member concerned, you see, is that we love each other, and we care for each other. You see, there are families who are not here, you see, who have left the tower and it's gone. But end of the day, they're also in the family, you see. And I think myself is that any part of the night with all these families, I can go down, even they ask me 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. I can go down to help them the highest level. Yeah. And then like we have Anu